a YouTube channel where dreams are not just nighttime images, but powerful messages, signs, and spiritual clues. We take you on a journey through the world of dreams, unlocking the mystery behind each one. Whether it's flying, falling, drowning, or seeing someone who has passed away, we bring you in-depth, researched, and spiritually rich dream interpretations. If you want to know what your dream is trying to tell you, then subscribe now to Dream Interpretation, the channel that speaks the language of dreams, dream interpretations of drowning in water. 1. Drowning in water. This generally indicates feeling overwhelmed by life's difficulties or emotions. You're deeply involved in a problem with no clear way out. 2. Drowning in a pond. This represents emotional entanglement in a close relationship or matter that seems small but is deeply affecting you. 3. Drowning in a large tub. This shows you are stuck in personal or family issues that seemed minor but have become complicated. 4. Drowning in a stream. Symbolizes being carried away by time or emotions. If the water is fast-moving, it may reflect anxiety or haste. 5. Drowning in a river. Represents being overwhelmed by major challenges in life. It's a call to regain emotional balance. 6. Drowning in the sea. This is a symbol of deep fear, loneliness, or helplessness. You may feel life's problems are swallowing you. 7. Drowning in a sewer. Signifies guilt, sin, or shame. It may be a spiritual warning to cleanse your life. 8. Falling into a hole and drowning. Indicates sinking into unknown fear, depression, or despair. 9. Drowning in a handful of water. Shows that you are overthinking trivial matters, which are consuming your mental peace. 10. Drowning in a well. Symbolizes being trapped in past issues or emotional depths. You may feel confined or restricted. 11. Drowning in a swimming pool. Indicates hidden dangers beneath calm appearances. You feel safe on the surface but are emotionally drowning. 12. Dying by drowning in a water pipeline. Represents being trapped in unnatural or artificial situations. You're under pressure and see no escape.